Hatay Dürüm Turkish chicken wrap. Ingredients: half glasses of olive oil, 3 spoon yogurt, 2 teaspoon cummin, 2 teaspoon thyme, half teaspoon curry, 2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoon salt, 2 spoon tomato paste, 2 lavash, 1 potato, 1 tomato, 3 chicken breast, ketchup and mayonnaise. For sauce: 50 milliliters olive oil, 1 dessert spoon paprika paste, 1 grated tomato, 1 clove of grated garlic, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon thyme. Directions: firstly, put the olive oil, yogurt, cummin, thyme, curry, ground black pepper, salt, and tomato paste and mix them. Then, add the chicken breast in the mixture and stir the chicken well with the sauce. Wrap the chicken with sauce and stretch film in the form of a roll and put it in a freezer. For sauce, put the olive oil, paprika paste, grated tomato, grated garlics, salt and thyme in a pan and mix them until it is cooked. Take the frozen chicken breast mixture out of the freezer and cut it into small pieces. Then, roast it in a pan. Peel a potato and cut and fry it. Then, chop the tomato. Lastly, spread the sauce evenly on the lavash and add chicken, potato, tomato, ketchup and mayonnaise and again sauce. Then, wrap them in a roll of lavash.